Good morning, brothers. I hope you're having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, for starting, we have already taken 3 consecutive trades in Nifty, and this is one of those days when you have planned 99% of your trade and you have come with a really good plan, and there is 0.1% chance that it might fail, and today was that 0.1% chance because everything and anything that shouldn't go wrong has happened today. In 3 consecutive trades, SL got hit multiple times and we made a really huge mess. And after that, we just closed the entire system and we were out of the market. And I probably wouldn't trade any more today also. So watch this video carefully and do observe the candlestick patterns really good. And don't forget to watch this video till the end because I will explain what was my analysis behind this thing and what was I thinking during those trades. Well, traders, now it's time for the explanation why we actually bought at this particular level. Well, the market was actually indicating a bit downside momentum. So, let me give you the reason. Reason number one, you could clearly see. I usually trade in Bank Nifty because I prefer Bank Nifty momentum and liquidity much better than Nifty's. And as Nifty is usually trading on its high, there is not a good chance that it might move up more and it might just go sideways. So there was a high probability that Nifty could remain sideways. But due to the CPR, you could clearly see a narrow single line CPR. It was actually all formed at 61, really good level, and this was the most important case which prompted me to trade in Nifty rather than Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, you could clearly see this is the Bank Nifty spot chart. The CPR is extremely wide. So this was the first case. Reason number two. If you check the first 5 minute candle, you have actually seen we have taken 3 entries. So on the first entry was on this 5 minute candle when Bank Nifty started to form a really good bullish candle, as well as Nifty also you could clearly see a bullish candle. So that was the first reason a really good upside bullish candle was formed on the spot chart. This high was actually broken. So I entered a bit early, but I knew there would be a really good momentum because the CPR is extremely narrow, and this day might be just one of the day that 99% this setup works, and there's still chance that 0.1% it might not work, and today might be was the day 0.1% that the setup didn't work really well. But usually when there's a narrow CPR such as this thing, there's a really high probability that there might be a really one-side momentum or a breakout kind momentum, and I was hoping that momentum would happen. Similarly, I was hoping Bank Nifty and Nifty also to stay a bit bullish, and that same thing happened. They both open a bit gap up. So this is in Bank Nifty, you could see a gap up opening and upside momentum. But as compared to Nifty's chart, there was a gap up opening on 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes, and on gap up opening 15 minutes, it formed a really bearish candle, which indicated the market has no play or no interest in moving upside. The reason number two why I continuously kept buying when the market did tell me there is a rejection on, you could clearly see on 15-minute chart, a rejection from 21 period moving average. It was because of Bank Nifty. I also saw the Bank Nifty chart, and the Bank Nifty was continuously breaking its high again and again on 5 minutes candlestick. So which prompted me to buy again and again. So let me show you where particular region I bought this thing. So first was actually when this candle was forming, and the second one was just after this candle high got broken. I bought it again because it was taking support from previous this day's low, as well as there was a really good consolidation zone around this region. So there was a high probability that the market would bounce upside. So that was the second, and the third case was when this bullish candle formed, I bought it again. So those were the three entry, and I did short. There was another fourth entry which I didn't mention earlier. That was a short somewhere around this case, but I closed it immediately with a 1-2 points profit because I knew that I was taking multiple entries, and I don't want to just take one side, two side again and again entry as soon as the market reverses. So that was actually a really good decision. So after this thing, I didn't trade it at all. I just closed the entire system down, and I'm currently recording the video. That's the point where I'm seeing the market did end up closing in a sideways direction. So why did this happen? I definitely have no idea why Bank Nifty or as well as Nifty especially close in a sideways manner, or you could say in a range form. On the contrary, that it has a really good CPR, a narrow CPR, which usually indicate a really huge momentum either to one side or the other. But that did happen. Same case in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I expected a 200-300 points momentum in Bank Nifty to happen, but Bank Nifty did move slightly, but it most probably it was just range bound between this level 36,800 till this level 36,500. So that was a 300 point momentum, but I wasn't able to capture any of this thing, and it was stuck around this range itself. So my target would have been somewhere around R2. Same case was my target somewhere in Nifty was also R2 on the upper level, because I expected this range, this top range and this bottom range to go broken today, and that didn't happen as you could see, and we lost our SL to this thing. A huge loss. It shouldn't happen because the first wrong thing I did was I traded take multiple entries, even though on 15 minutes I got clear cut signal that Nifty might not be a bullish on this particular day. I should have waited, and I should have looked for a shorting opportunity rather than going long. So that was a mistake from my side, but definitely we will try to improve this thing. So that's it for this trade, and that was the explanation behind why I actually bought this thing in this when I saw it was, even though it was falling downside. So that's it for today, traders. If you're watching this video till now, don't forget to smash that like button. Do comment down below if you have taken any trade today and were they profitable. Don't forget to share this video with another traders, and don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you never miss any update from us. And thank you for watching.